Changing digital landscapes adds complexity to data monitoring, from protecting sensitive data to understanding how people are using applications to improve experiences. Now you can better understand events, find anomalies, and prevent risky activity right in Salesforce with event monitoring from Salesforce Shield. Have complete visibility into your Salesforce org. Get alerts or take preventative action when someone is trying to export a report with personal information. Prevent threats quickly by defining security policies that subscribe to real-time Salesforce events using clicks or code, like in-app notifications telling you when a potential threat is blocked. And with real-time event monitoring, you can monitor risk events as they occur while proactively finding security vulnerabilities and anomalies with machine learning. Stay compliant and audit user actions by querying stored events using SQL. Investigate data exfiltration incidents by identifying what data and when it was downloaded, or better understand risky behavior by auditing actions in Salesforce. All enhanced by streaming data to third parties like Splunk or Datadog using pre-built connectors. Event log files provide detailed insights into the performance of your Salesforce applications by identifying bottlenecks to reduce inefficiencies and uncovering event patterns, trends, and anomalies through pre-built dashboards. Export data every hour into third parties using pre-built connectors for security monitoring, application performance monitoring, and product intelligence. Enable admins to create threat detection platform event-triggered workflows using the power of automation to secure your data. When you create a flow, you can choose events like session hijacking event and trigger an action to occur when the event takes place, like open a case to investigate or send a message to Slack. Now you can better understand what users are doing, monitor application performance, and keep data secure, all with event monitoring from Salesforce Shield. To get started, visit salesforce.com/shield.